Good morning, dear children. As I already told you all that today we will be starting and learning about hydrocarbons. Okay. Hydrocarbon, the word itself is telling you, you divide the word into two, hydro and carbon. Any compound which has hydrogen and which has carbon is a hydrocarbon. These are believed to be the simplest compounds present because they are made up of only these two atoms, one of hydrogen and one of carbon. Okay. Now, hydrocarbons can be divided into two. First is saturated and the second one is unsaturated. Saturated, the word means that it is full or it is complete, and unsaturated means it is not full or it is not complete. Okay. Saturated are commonly called as alkanes and unsaturated are called either as alkene or it is going to be called as alkyne. So saturated is of one type, that is alkane. Unsaturated is alkene and alkyne. Okay. Now, how do you differentiate between saturated and unsaturated molecules? Saturated compounds are those which have single bond. That means if I'm having one carbon, we know that carbon has a valency of 4. Okay. So if this has 4 bonds next to it, this is a saturated compound. Okay. Now if I try to put, now suppose if all these, now it's a hydrocarbon, so obviously it's going to have only hydrogen and only carbon. Okay. Now this is a hydrocarbon which has all single bonds and it has one carbon in it. If I try to add one more hydrogen to it, this cannot be added. Why? Because it is saturated. Okay, it is full. It cannot take anything more. That is the meaning of saturated compounds. Unsaturated, when I am talking about alkene, these are those compounds which have double bond in it. Alright, so this is going to be C double bond. This kind of structure it's going to have. So if you go to count it, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Always remember, carbon should have 4 bonds next to it. Okay, here if you see, it was 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is correct. It has 4 bonds next to it. Here if you see carbon, it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 bonds, so it is complete or it is correct. Okay. Now why do we call it unsaturated? If I try to add one hydrogen to this, it will accept that one hydrogen and it will get converted into this form. So an alkene by addition reaction can get converted into alkane. Alkanes do not take part in any addition reaction because they are saturated. Okay. Alkynes, on the other hand, they are those compounds which have triple bond. Okay. So this can be represented as this structure. If you look at this, count this again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 bonds, that is correct. Now, if I add hydrogen to this, it will be able to accept it and it will get converted into this form. Again, when I am adding one more hydrogen to it, it will get converted into the alkane form. So alkyne by addition reaction can get converted into alkene. Alkene on addition reaction gives alkane. Alkanes do not take part in any addition reaction. I hope this is clear. So hydrocarbons are divided into saturated and unsaturated compounds. Saturated are alkanes which have single bond. They do not take part in any addition reaction. Unsaturated can be divided into two, alkene and alkyne. Alkenes have double bonds, alkynes have triple bond. Alkene, when goes through an addition reaction, gives rise to alkane, and alkyne has triple bond which on addition gives rise to alkene and then an alkane. I hope this is clear.